Now that the chassis has been repaired and temporarily primered, it was now time to move on to the body. As the bottom 6 inches of Eggbert were non-existent, we started with some new cross members and heater channels from Heritage Parts Centre and fitted them to our chassis to make sure everything lined up. We then started to weld the new panels onto the body, starting with the A-posts. However, the more we cut out, the more poor repairs, rust and filler we found, and we realised we were in a bit of trouble. We gave Lee over at nearby Volksrod a call to see if he had any body cuts in stock, and luckily he had a late 60s shell which may save the day. The shell was perfect for what we needed, and Lee very kindly donated it to the school, which we can't thank him enough for. With the donor shell prepped, we started to think about what other parts we needed. We knew we wanted to build a Volksrod, and part of that look was an extended front beam. I posted a wanted ad on Facebook and managed to find a beam and extender. The only problem was it came with a free Wizard Roadster. These were really popular conversions back in the 90s and can look amazing, like this one built by Volksmagic. However, ours looked nothing like this. The plan was to strip the parts we needed and scrap the rest, but that was never really going to happen. So Will the Wizard is now in storage, ready for another story.